In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop. Locking layers is a simple but powerful way to protect parts of your design so you don't accidentally move or edit them. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each lock option actually does so you know which one to use and when. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer and load the document you want to work on. Once your file is open, look toward the bottom right of your screen for the Layers panel. This is where all your layers are listed. If you don't see it, don't worry. Go up to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Layers. As soon as you click that, the Layers panel should appear, usually docked on the right-hand side. Next, in the Layers panel, click on the layer you want to lock. Make sure it's highlighted so you know it's selected. This could be a text layer, an image, a shape, or any other type of layer in your document. A quick tip. Naming your layers clearly can make it much easier to choose the right one to lock, especially in complex projects. Now, look at the very top of the Layers panel. You'll see a row of small icons that control different lock options. These icons let you decide exactly what you want to protect on that layer. The first important option is Lock Transparent Pixels. When this is turned on, Photoshop protects all the transparent parts of that layer. That means any existing painted areas stay editable, but you can't accidentally paint into the transparent parts. This is great when you want to keep clean edges on something you've already painted. Next is Lock Image Pixels. This option prevents you from editing the actual image content on that layer. You won't be able to paint, erase, or apply certain direct edits, but you can still move the layer around unless you also lock its position. Then we have Lock Position. When you enable this, you can't move the layer on the canvas. This is especially useful for background elements, logos, or guides that need to stay perfectly aligned. Finally, there's Lock All, which is represented by a padlock icon. Clicking this will fully lock the layer, preventing any changes at all. If you're completely happy with a layer and don't want to risk altering it, this is the safest option to use. If you ever need to unlock the layer, just click again on whichever lock icon you turned on. The padlock symbol will disappear and the layer will be editable again. And that's it. You've learned how to lock and unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop and how each lock option helps you stay in control of your designs.